Bonjour YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is an exclusive recipe from the Macaron Dore, chocolate and vanilla cupcakes filled with peanut butter and topped with a yummy peanut butter cream cheese icing. Here are the ingredients that you need for this recipe. Let's start by adding the dry and wet ingredients into a bowl. Stir until well combined and scoop the batter into the cupcake liners, fill up to the 3/4. Do the same for the chocolate batch. Add the cocoa butter with the dry ingredients. Scoop the batter into the cupcake liners up to 3/4. Your cupcakes are ready to go to the oven. Set your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Let them cool down and fill up with peanut butter. Proceed with making our cream cheese icing. Now that everything is ready, add the icing on the cupcakes. And decorate at your liking. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Le Macaron Dore. You can also order in my website in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Voilà!